It's a little bit crowded today, but we'll see. Yeah. Gotta make sure to keep the windows closed. Oh, I keep knocking it around. Not too much headroom in here. Yeah, so. I like putting traction all the way off when I'm like boolin, but, or I mean when I'm drifting, but not when I'm just like driving really hard because it feels sus. Alrighty, I guess I'll go left here then. That is such a shame, low key. I'm gonna put the PTM into sport, just for our hard driving. I feel like I could probably get away with keeping everything off, but this car's a little twitchy, so I need to like up my driver mod or something. Is where this thing's really shines. I feel like when you're racing against like big boy horsepower on the straights, the car doesn't feel like super fast. But once you're like out on the back roads and stuff, this thing is like an absolute rocket. I feel like he's getting hit by rocks back there, so he's slowing down. Valid though. Yeah, this place is covered in gravel. Kind of not a fan of that. My traction was all the way off. I guess one day I'll just like do that, but I'm trying to slide this corner, but the road has been really reworked over here. I feel like I don't want to cook too hard on this like gravel stuff. Gravel is hitting up in my car. Yeah, I can definitely see him slowing down back there to not get hit with my rocks I'm shooting up. I didn't even realize my yak cooler was active, but I'll leave it on for now. Yes, that felt pretty good. I'll wait for him to catch up just so he knows which way I'm going. Oh no. There's a turn at the end of this little straightaway here that I'm really looking forward to. Getting a little screech up the front. I think my alignment is like slightly off. As usual. The alignment gets off like super easy every single time. I get like one trip out of it before the alignment goes off again. And we got a guy driving in the road. Oh no. Okay, never mind, that's close. The rear coming around a little bit there. Yeah, I got 1.04 there. We were pretty much here. So there's one thing I've realized, it's my car pushes a little bit up front. And I think it's partially because of slightly misalignment, but they're brand new tires, so they should be okay. But this is also on street alignment. If I put it on the track alignment, it'll be like negative 3.4 up front, or 3.7 or something crazy like that. But yeah, it's like if I really lean into the front tire, it like really rubs out on the side, and I think it needs to have more camber to be proper. I'm just gonna park back here on the low. fellers. That was a pretty good Bool sesh. Glad you could join us for that little Bool. But now I'm about to cop some food service.